Premier in Inverness Central. Thought I'd do a quick room tour to give you an idea what a Premier Plus room is like. So this is the entrance here, or the exit. So as you enter, you have the hooks for your jacket. There's a stool to do your hair drying after you've exited the shower, and a mirror for vanity purposes. There is the room key here, which you put into a slot for the power supply. So remember to take your room key when you leave the room. And the door has a lock and is very secure. Here to the right, there is a lit wardrobe, various coat hangers, a place for your suitcase, and I put my clothes up there. And here is a massive mirror for looking at yourself. And the air conditioning unit is up there. I found it very quiet and fully adjustable. So let's proceed. Now here's the TV. Full screen Samsung Smart TV. You can plug your HDMI socket into it, or screen mirroring. So I like that feature very much, to have the HDMI from your laptop so you can watch your movies. And there's the controls for the air conditioning. Some artwork on the wall by Gemma Untitled 2017. And next to the bed are 3-pin sockets, USB-A, and the various light switches. You had bedside lights, a little cubicle for your various devices. There is purple lighting behind the bed, so you can turn the main light off, and then you just have the purple mood lighting. There's also mood lighting above the windows. Back to full lighting. It's all fully switchable. The bed is very, very comfortable. Has pillows and a duvet. Right, on the other side of the bed, you got 3 light switches. One of these is for the curtains, as you can see, I think. Yeah, there you go. So you got the curtain lighting, which adds the mood. And you have this very plush seat to sit on with a footstool. I never actually used that, but it's a nice feature to have. Over here is the main office desk. You have a desk side lamp, more 3-pin sockets. There's actually about 5 3-pin sockets, which is really, really good. And HDMI ports. There's no actual USB ports on the office desk, which I found a bit odd, but most people carry their own battery packs with them, so it's not really an issue. You have the coffee pod making machine, which I never used. Kettle was very clean. Typical Premier Inn kettle. And mugs, plus there's also glasses that are in the bathroom now. You have sugar, coffee and tea, which you can replenish down below. You have another fine mirror here. So you got 3 mirrors. So it's very good. And down at the bottom, there is the mini fridge, which I found very useful indeed to keep my oat milk in, and cheeses and cold meats. Very handy. You can always have alcoholic beverages in there. The office chair is a clean swivel design. Leather of some kind. It might be fake, but whatever, it's comfortable. And yeah, let's see what the bathroom is like, which is in this door here. It's not an actual bath. Has a rainfall shower and standard. You have your soaps, liquid soaps. And yeah, the shower wet to the full potential and good flow. You have another liquid soap here and the tap. The toilet and me. It's a bit misty at the moment because I just had a shower. The extractor fan did not work. But the room was, yeah, pretty good. Premier Plus room, Inverness Central. So yeah, I paid a very good price, but it is January. In the summer it goes very expensive. One last feature. Right, so view of the River Ness. It's still dark as it's 7 o'clock in the morning. When you close the window, it is completely soundproof. You cannot hear anything outside. If you have the window open, you can hear everything, and it was noisy with the window open. Right, let's try night mode. And you can see the night lights of Inverness and the castle. There's the castle on the hill. Very good, isn't it? Lovely. The river was fast flowing. And look, there's a gritter across the road. So it must be quite cold out there. Right, that's the room tour done. Hope you found the room tour useful if you're thinking of staying in Premier Inn Plus. The room size is the same as a standard Premier room, so I don't quite get that. But you do have a few extra features. Big enough for me. Maybe if you have more people, they'll give you a bigger room. I'm on room 303 and there are rooms above me.